Hey there guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Rafi and I'm here to make tech easy for you. So in today's Go High Level training video, we are basically we're going to go through on how to set up, on how to integrate your Mailgun account with your Go High Level account, and also how to resolve one of the most common issues with integrating that you're going to face while integrating Mailgun with High Level, that is replies not coming through. So we are going to go over on how to set it up in the right way, so you're not only been able to send out messages, but also you're able to receive it. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have a Mailgun account. You are on a paid version of a Mailgun account, which is at least $35 a month. After that, you have to make sure that the domain that you are using for your Mailgun account is brand new and super clean. So what do I mean by super clean? What I mean by that it doesn't have any other additional DNS records, some sort of MX records or text records or anything like that. If it has any kind of existing DNS records, just either remove it or buy a new domain. And even when you buy a new domain, sometimes there are existing DNS records that you want to delete. So from DNS records, I mean all these what you can see here, like NS type, CNAME type, SOA type. All of these are DNS records. So you have to make sure that your domain has none of these external additional DNS records. If they do, then you're going to face the issue of replies not coming through. So you have to make sure of that. Once that is done, what you need to do is go to your Mailgun account. Go to sending, click on add a new domain. And here, while adding a new domain, you don't only need to, you won't only need to copy paste your whole domain like this, but also you would have to add a subdomain to it, which is like a subname to it. So instead of yourdomain.com, you have to add something like, let's say, scale.yourdomain.com, replies.yourdomain.com, support.yourdomain.com, whatever you prefer, but you need to add something. So I've added scale. I've already created this domain. You can see it's here, sale.crmpro. So just a quick overview of what these DNS records are. This is text record used to send out emails. This is MX records used to receive emails, and this is CNAME record used to do all of the analysis and all of the tracking and all of that stuff. How many were opened, how many bounced back, and blah blah blah. So now let's go and see how we can create them in our GoDaddy for our domain. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to make sure that for host name, you only copy everything that is before your domain. So like my domain is your crmexpert.pro. So you need to make sure that you only copy scale. So we copy here scale, we go to our DNS records, we go to add a text record here. The name is going to be scale. We go over here, we copy the value, we come back here, keep the TTL to 1 hour or anything, it doesn't really matter, add a new record. So let's just wait for it. Okay, so our first text record is successfully added. Let's go for another one. We are once again going for text record. We come back here, we copy everything that comes before our domain. For the host name, we come back here, paste that. For the name, we go and copy the value and we copy paste it. Make sure for your domain you don't have these additional spaces, so just remove them. Let's wait for it to propagate. Okay, so it's been added. Let's go and add our MX record. So come back here. So for the host name, we are only going to add scale. So which is our subdomain name. Scale priority is always going to be 10, and we come back here and we copy this value, we paste it here, and now just quickly add it. So that's added. Now let's add the second MX value. So we go back here. The name, it's once again, it's the same scale. The host name, the priority is 10, and the value. So the value is pretty much the same. The difference is that instead of MXA, we're going to add MXP, add record. So the MX record has been added. I paused the video and added the CNAME record as well. Now what we have to do is just wait for it to propagate. So once that's been done, you need to click on verify DNS settings, and you need to see if all of them are verified. So guys, once your domain settings has been verified properly, it has all been checked and everything. What you need to do is you need to basically go to your dashboard of your Mailgun, and go there and basically go to your API keys, and from there you have to get the API key. So the API key of your Mailgun. Once you get the public API key of your Mailgun, what do you need to do? You need to go to your CRM. You need to go to your agency settings, not the sub account settings, agency settings. And from there, you have to go to email services. And once you go to email services, go to account settings. Go to location settings, not the domain service, but the location settings. Go to your location. So, like in my case, my location name is Rafaeli/GLH. Go there, click on this pencil icon, and from here you have to add in your API key. Once you add in your API key under domains, your domain will be visible. Once that is done, if it's not visible, then there's something wrong with your API key, or you are not on the paid version of your Mailgun. So once you attach your Mailgun API key, all the domains would be available under domain. As you can see right now, it shows no data, so it shows data now. So once you're able to see your domain, select your domain and hit save, and your domain will be saved with your sub account ready to go. But that's not the last step. The final step and the most important steps in order to receive replies is basically you have to go to your dashboard. No, so you have to go to receivings. So this option is would be on the left hand side of your Mailgun screen. Go to receivings, and once you go to receiving, you should be able to see a catch all route here. So this route is usually created by GoHighLevel automatically when you integrate your Mailgun API key with it. But if it's not created, then what you would have to do is basically click on route, and it's very easy. No worries. You have to click on create route. Once you click on it, you will go to this window, and from this window, we are going to use GoHighLevel help docs to see how it is created. So what do you have to do? You have to go to Mailgun, click on create route. From there, your expression type should be catch all. Ours is catch all. After that, check the checkbox to activate forwarding, then paste this field. So we are going to copy paste this field, copy link address. So where do we, why is it so difficult? Okay, so yeah, copy this, come back here, and like they said, make sure the forwarding is on. You copy paste it here. After that, you have to scroll down. Under priority, you have to enter 99. And after that, if you scroll down, you see under priority, they say add 99. And for description, add go high level route. Add go high level route, add in to your description, create a route, and that should make you able to receive replies in your Mailgun. Remember some of the following steps that you might not see on other YouTube videos. Your domain should be new. If not new, then you need to make sure that your domain does not have any existing DNS records. If it's new and it might still have some existing DNS records, just delete them. If it doesn't have any existing records, add in the Mailgun DNS records. Copy the API key from your Mailgun settings. Like you can go to your Mailgun main settings or go to dashboard and go to API keys like I showed you. Copy the public API key from there. Go back to your agency settings. From there, go to email services, go to location settings like I showed you here. Add in your API key here. Choose Mailgun, select your domain, and save it. Once it's done, go back to your Mailgun, see if a receiving route has been created. If it's not created, click on create route and then add in all the information like I did. And I will also paste the link of this help talk below in the description. And that's pretty much it. That's how you basically integrate Mailgun with your high level account successfully. So if this video was of huge value to you, or it provided you any kind of help, do make sure to comment down below, hit the like button, subscribe, whatever feels convenient to you. So it keeps me motivated to keep on recording these training videos for you guys. And that's pretty much it. Have a nice day and see you next time.